Chocolate has a fascinating history that stretches back to ancient times. It all began in Africa, where the cacao tree, the source of chocolate, was first discovered. People in Africa used to gather cacao beans and grind them into a paste, mixing it with water to make a special drink. This drink was enjoyed for its rich flavor and energizing properties. Over time, the knowledge of chocolate making spread to other parts of the world, like Central and South America, where ancient civilizations like the Mayans and Aztecs cherished chocolate as a precious gift from the gods. Today, chocolate is enjoyed all around the globe, but its journey from bean to bar is a story filled with innovation and tradition. From its humble beginnings in Africa to the modern chocolate industry, understanding the history and production of chocolate gives us a deeper appreciation for this beloved treat. The Mayans and cacao discovery. The Mayans, an ancient civilization in Central America, played a crucial role in the history of chocolate. They were among the first to discover the cacao tree and recognize its valuable properties. For the Mayans, cacao wasn't just a plant. It was a symbol of wealth and power. They used cacao beans as currency and consumed chocolate in sacred rituals and ceremonies. Geographically, the Mayan civilization thrived in areas where cacao trees could grow well. The warm, humid climate of the tropical rainforests provided the perfect conditions for cacao cultivation. With fertile soil and ample rainfall, the Mayans were able to cultivate cacao trees in abundance, making it an integral part of their agricultural practices. The availability of cacao helped sustain the Mayan economy and contributed to their cultural identity as well. Cacao was deeply ingrained in Mayan society, not only as a source of food and trade, but also as a symbol of social status and religious significance. Cacao harvesting and processing. Harvesting cacao involves a careful process to ensure the quality of the beans. Cacao pods are harvested manually from the cacao trees using sharp tools. These pods are colorful and have a unique shape, making them easy to spot among the leaves. Once harvested, the pods are cracked open to reveal the cacao beans inside. It's a labor-intensive task that requires skill and patience. After the beans are extracted, they undergo fermentation and drying to develop their flavor. Fermentation is a natural process where the beans are placed in containers and left to ferment for 5 to 7 days. During fermentation, the beans undergo chemical changes that enhance their flavor. After fermentation, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun. Drying is crucial as it removes excess moisture from the beans and helps preserve them for storage and further processing. The drying process for fermented cocoa beans usually takes about 5 to 10 days, depending on factors such as weather conditions, humidity levels, and the method used for drying. These processes of fermentation and drying are essential in shaping the flavor of chocolate. Without proper fermentation and drying, the chocolate would lack depth and character, making these steps vital in chocolate production. From beans to chocolate liquor. Once the cacao beans are harvested, they undergo several steps to transform into chocolate liquor. First, the beans are roasted to bring out their rich flavor. Roasting also helps to remove any bitterness and develop the characteristic chocolate taste. After roasting, the beans are cracked open, and the outer shell, called the husk, is separated from the inner nibs through a process called winnowing. This step ensures that only the pure cacao nibs remain for further processing. The next step is grinding the cacao nibs into a paste, which is known as chocolate liquor. Despite its name, chocolate liquor contains no alcohol. It is purely the ground-up cacao nibs. This paste is rich in cocoa solids and cocoa butter, giving it a smooth and creamy texture. Chocolate liquor serves as the foundation for various chocolate products, including dark chocolate. It provides the intense chocolate flavor and contributes to the smoothness and melt-in-your-mouth quality of chocolate, cocoa powder, and cocoa butter production. After chocolate liquor is made, it can be further processed to create cocoa powder and cocoa butter. To make cocoa powder, the chocolate liquor undergoes a pressing process to separate the cocoa solids from the cocoa butter. These solids are then finely ground into a fine powder, resulting in cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is used in various chocolate recipes, baking, and beverages. This process separates the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids, leaving behind pure cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a versatile ingredient used in chocolate making, confectionery, and skincare products due to its smooth texture and moisturizing properties. In chocolate production, cocoa butter helps to give chocolate its silky smooth texture and allows it to melt in your mouth. Conching and flavor development. Conching is a crucial step in chocolate production that involves mixing and aerating chocolate for an extended period. This process helps to refine the texture and develop the flavor of chocolate. During conching, the chocolate is continuously stirred and heated, allowing it to blend evenly and develop a smooth texture. The friction created during conching also helps to reduce any rough or gritty texture in the chocolate, resulting in a creamy and velvety mouthfeel. Not only does conching improve the texture of chocolate, but it also enhances its flavor. Through the process of conching, volatile compounds in the chocolate are released, allowing the flavors to meld together and develop complexity. This results in a more balanced and nuanced flavor profile in the chocolate. Additionally, during conching, ingredients like milk, sugar, and vanilla can be added to the chocolate mixture. These ingredients further enhance the flavor and sweetness of the chocolate, creating a more enjoyable and indulgent experience. Tempering and chocolate bar production. Tempering is a crucial step in chocolate bar production that ensures the chocolate has the right texture and appearance. During tempering, the chocolate is heated, cooled, and then reheated to specific temperatures in a precise manner. This process helps to align the cocoa butter crystals in the chocolate, giving it a smooth and glossy finish. Proper tempering also prevents the chocolate from becoming too soft or sticky when it's at room temperature, ensuring that it has a satisfying snap when you break off a piece. Once the chocolate is tempered, it's ready to be molded into chocolate bars. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds and then cooled to solidify. Proper tempering is essential during this stage to ensure that the chocolate bars have a uniform texture and appearance. If the chocolate isn't tempered correctly, it may result in uneven color or texture, affecting the overall quality of the chocolate bars. Quality control measures such as regular temperature checks and visual inspections are implemented throughout the chocolate bar production process to maintain consistency and ensure that only the finest chocolate bars make it to market. In chocolate's journey from bean to bar is fascinating, with each step contributing to its delicious flavor and texture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting information.